Hello children, how are you? Now 16th chapter. What is our 16th chapter children? Time. T-I-M-E time. T-I-M-E time. Now second class mathematics. Take your textbook children. Take your textbook page number 111 page open it children. 16th chapter open it children. Take your pencil also. Now 16th chapter, what is our chapter? Time. Our chapter name is time. T-I-M-E time. Okay? All of you opening your books? Very good children. Now look at the names of days in a week shown below. See here page number 111. They are given days. What day today children? You know days, Sunday, Mondays, you know children. Okay, now see here, look at the names of days in a week shown below. There are, how many days are there in a week? There are, how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days. How many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. So here, what are the children? What is the first day? First day is Sunday. Say spelling. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Say all of you. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Say loudly. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. So Sunday after which day will come? Monday. Which day? Monday. Say M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday after which day? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Say all of you children. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Tuesday and Sunday between which day? Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Sunday after Monday. Tuesday before Monday. Are you understand children? Tuesday after which day is this? Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Say Wednesday spelling. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Wednesday after which day? Thursday. Wednesday after Thursday. Say Thursday spelling. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Say all of you children. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Thursday after which day will come? Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Last day which day? Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. See all of you children. Say all of you. First day which day? S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. So you are not looking for you children, that's why I am writing here clearly. Tuesday, Tuesday. WDNESDAY, Wednesday. WDNESDAY, Wednesday. THURSDAY, Thursday. THURSDAY, Thursday. Say all of you. THURSDAY, Thursday. FRIDAY, Friday. FRIDAY, Friday. SATURDAY, Saturday. SATURDAY, Saturday. Say all of you spelling children. You learn compulsory this day's spelling. See, read all of you, read with me. SUNDAY, Sunday. Say all of you. SUNDAY, Sunday. SUNDAY, Sunday. MONDAY, Monday. MONDAY, Monday. TUESDAY, Tuesday. TUESDAY, Tuesday. WDNESDAY, Wednesday. WDNESDAY, Wednesday. THURSDAY, Thursday. THURSDAY, Thursday. Say Thursday spelling children. THURSDAY, Thursday. Say Friday spelling. FRIDAY, Friday. SATURDAY, Saturday. You learn the spellings compulsory children. So what is the day after Sunday? What is the question here? See. What is the day after Sunday? Sunday after which day will come? Sunday after Monday. Yes, Sunday after which day will come? Sunday after Monday. Say right Monday spelling. MONDAY, Monday. MONDAY, Monday. Sunday after which day? Monday. Monday spelling. MONDAY, Monday. Okay, are you understand children? Okay. Now second B question. See children. What is the day between Monday and Wednesday? What is the day between Monday and Wednesday? Where is the Monday? Here only Monday. Wednesday? Here. So what is the between day? In middle, between, which day having? Which day is this? Tuesday. Which day? Tuesday. Spelling? TUESDAY, Tuesday. TUESDAY, Tuesday. Say again. TUESDAY, Tuesday. Next, see question, see children, all of you. What is the day after Saturday? What is the day after Saturday? Last day only Saturday I am saying. Okay? That Saturday after which day will come? Saturday after? Again Sunday, Monday, like that only. So So Saturday after which day? Sunday. Say Sunday spelling. Sunday. 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 Say all of you. Sunday. Sunday. After how many days does Friday comes after Sunday? After how many days does Fridays comes after Sunday? So Friday here only having, Sunday here. How many days? After how many days does Friday to Sunday will come? After 2 days only. Yes, children. 2 days. 2 days after. See here. Second day only Sunday. 1 day after Sunday. After how many days does Friday comes after Sunday? 1 day. Saturday after Sunday only come. 1 day. How many days are there from Monday to Sunday? How many days? Monday to Sunday. I am asking children, not Sunday to Monday. Question. Monday to Sunday. How many days are there? See here. Here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days. Monday to Sunday. How many days? 6 days. How many days? 6 days. How many days are there in a week? How many days having total children? I am before only saying how many days are there in a week? 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days. 7 days. See children here. I am explaining the repeat again. What is the day after Sunday? So day after Sunday, what is the day? Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. So what is the day between Monday and Wednesday? Monday and Wednesday between day? Tuesday. Spelling? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. What is the day after Saturday? Day after Saturday. What is the day after? What is the day after Saturday? Sunday is the after Saturday. Next, after how many days does Fridays come after Sunday? How many days will come? Here Friday, here. How many days? Friday to Saturday, 1 day. Saturday to Sunday, 2 days. 2 days. Here right children, 2 days. 2 days. How many days are there from Monday to Sunday? Monday to Sunday, how many days? Monday to Sunday, not Sunday to Monday children. Monday to Sunday. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So how many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days only. 1, 2, how many days having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days are there in a week. See children, learn the spellings again. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. So what are the children? Say spelling. Read with me children. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. W-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Learn, children. Okay. Learn the spellings compulsory. Next class I will explaining months. Okay, you learn this spelling, that also you learn. Okay, children.